Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair.
All right, guys, and we are back. And we have some more Harbor Freight savings for you guys today. That's right, more Harbor Freight savings. So these are going to be the Merry Christmas coupons. Friday, November 29th through Sunday, December 15th, guys. So you still have plenty of time to take advantage of these Merry Christmas coupons. But before we get into this, the Black Friday sale that was going on has actually been extended. So a heads up, guys, if you guys did not get a chance to take advantage of the Black Friday deals, they have been extended until the 8th. So you have a couple more days to take advantage of the Black Friday sales, which will be ending on Sunday the 8th. So if you guys didn't get a chance to take advantage of those sales, you got a couple more days. So I suggest you get in there and take advantage of them. Spoiler alert, we did buy a product from the Black Friday sales event, and I will be doing a video on it hopefully very soon. I will say it may or may not be an Icon product. So we'll just leave it at that, but we'll be doing a video on that hopefully sometime soon. So going back to the Merry Christmas coupons, this is from Friday, November 29th through Sunday, December 15th, guys. So as always, we're going to only touch on the stuff that we've had some experience with or that we've heard some good or bad things about. Anything that we think we should touch on, we're going to touch on. If I miss something, I do apologize, guys. However, if anybody else out there has some good or bad stuff to say, whether they agree with me or whether they speak on a product that I didn't touch on, please feel free to put it in the comment section below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this. Right off the bat, we have some air compressor and an air hose. Getting into the automotive part. So here's a really cool deal. This is the Icon Master Brake Caliper Set, 20 piece. Original price is $69.99. It's on sale right now for $54.99. So I actually have this set. I have not had to use it yet, but it's a really great set so far. It seems like really good quality. Just did an unboxing. I think I showed it in one of my videos before. Seems like a really good set, really good quality. Love that blow mold case that the Icon tools come in, and it is labeled on the side here, as you could see. We haven't used it yet. Hopefully when we do use it, we'll do a video on it, but really good deal there for $54.99. Not a bad deal. Moving on, we have a tubeless tire repair kit. This is a 9-piece for $3.99. On sale. Original price is $6.79. This always comes in handy. We just purchased, we added 2 more of the kits, the tire repair kits that I showed in a couple of my previous videos. We bought a couple more of those to have in each one of our vehicles just in case. But if you wanted something a little bit smaller and a little bit more budget friendly, that's not a bad deal right there. Here's another cool product. This is the Ames Instruments 2.7-inch color compact digital inspection camera. Original price is $84.99. It's on sale right now for $69.99. This thing is pretty phenomenal. It gets the job done, does what it's supposed to do, guys. I've used this a lot to look down into combustion chambers, look at top of the pistons. I've also used it in places that I couldn't reach, just to kind of see if there was an extra bolt or a nut or a fastener or something going on in hard to reach areas where I couldn't see. This definitely handles the job quite well. I've had it for several years now, and it hasn't failed me yet. So pretty good tool for that $69.99. Not a bad deal. I apologize for that, and it's going to keep shooting back up to the top. Moving on, we've talked about these before. These Vikings, doesn't really matter what brand you get. These Viking 1700 peak amp portable car battery jump starter and power pack with 150 psi air compressor. So not a bad deal here, guys, for $169.99 on sale. Original price is $199.99. Not a bad deal, guys. I would suggest looking at shopping around at other places. I have not had any firsthand experience with Viking, but $169.99. Although it's not a bad deal, it's a little pricey for all that you get right here. I would suggest shopping around and seeing what else you can get. Again, I don't know how well the Viking holds up. I've heard good stuff about it, but I personally have not had it. I've had the Syntec version of it, which was great, but it ultimately got stolen, so I never really got to fully use it. But anyway, not a bad deal there, guys. I've highly recommend those for emergency purposes. Moving on. Not much for us here, guys. Going into the hand tools. So here we have a Pittsburgh lifetime warranty screwdriver set, 8-piece. Original price is $9.99. It's on sale right now for $7.99. So it's not a bad deal, guys. It's going to be a cheap set of screwdrivers. Lifetime warranty. You can't beat it. If you need something, just some extra screwdrivers lying around, and if you don't care they get lost or stolen or broken, you're not losing much money on them anyway. So not a bad deal there. Here's a tool set with a 4-drawer chest, 105-piece. Original price is $59.99. It's on sale right now for $39.99. Again, it's the Pittsburgh lifetime warranty, so you're not really risking much. If you just wanted a cheap set of tools to lying around just to have, you have it right here. Again, if they get lost, stolen, you're not out much money, and then if you break a tool, you could always warranty it out, so you're really not losing much on that. Going down, lighting and specialty. Here's some by Storehouse cotter pin assortment set, 555 piece, on sale right now for $3.99. Not a bad deal. Always good to have these lying around. Same with the Storehouse 18 to 22 gauge watertight heat shrink butt connectors. It's going to be a 10-piece on sale right now for $119. So that's not a bad deal to have those lying around. I always end up needing them, so I always keep them handy. Moving on. Also not a bad deal is this 60 foot by 3/4 inch industrial grade electrical tape 10-pack on sale right now for $4.99. I bought in a pack of this a while back, and I still have plenty of rolls left over. Not bad to have it lying around. Comes in handy quite often. Moving on. Some outdoor equipment. Not much for us here. Here's some power tools. A lot of Hercules. Here we go, some Bauer. Mostly attachments, discs, and cutoff wheels. Got a paddle switch angle grinder from Bauer for $24.99. Not a bad deal. Here's a Bauer variable speed belt sander for $39.99. Still not a bad deal. Moving on to Shop and Garage. We've talked about this before. This Pittsburgh 1-ton capacity foldable shop crane. Original price is $269.99. It's on sale right now for $229.99. Definitely not a bad deal. We have this exact one, but I believe it's in black and gray instead of black and red. This thing was phenomenal. Came in handy. Did its job and really took me out of a pinch. Couldn't have done the transmission swap without it. Folds up quite nicely, so it doesn't take up a lot of room. It folds up actually just like this, but you get quite a bit of room after folding it up. Folds up quite nicely. So not a bad deal there for $229.99. Highly recommend that. And now I gotta find my spot. Here's a 2,000-pound capacity foldable engine stand. Original price is $199. It's on sale right now for $169.99, so that's not a bad deal. Give you $30 off. Not too bad of a deal. Moving on, we got this adjustable shop stool from Pittsburgh with a backrest. On sale right now for $59.99, and you get it in 4 different colors. Here's the thing I'm interested in. I'm debating between this one and the Icon creeper that they have, but this is the Daytona 350-pound capacity premium adjustable headrest creeper. Original price is $84.99. It's on sale right now for $69.99. I'm looking more towards this one because of the adjustable headrest. I can't tell you how many times that I'm under a vehicle and straining my neck to kind of pull my head off the creeper to get a little bit better view. So I'm really thinking about going this route. If anybody else out there has this specific one, how do you guys like it? How does it compare to the Icon one? I really love the Pittsburgh one. I'm looking to try the Icon or this Daytona one, but I'm leaning more toward the Daytona one because the Icon one is pretty much just like the Pittsburgh one, just a little bit nicer, a little bit wider, a little nicer headrest on the bottom. But this, I like how it has the adjustable headrest. So give me your guys' thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Moving on. Gonna go into storage. So here we have the Apache 3800 weatherproof protective case in large. This original price is $39.99. It's on sale right now for $29.99. So that's not a bad deal there, guys. We've talked about them before. Great cases. Protects anything you want it to. Scan tools, cameras, firearms. Anything you want protected, you name it, it will protect it. As long as it fits inside of it, it will protect it. So here's something I actually was going to do a video on, but we never got to. It's these US General 3/8, half-inch, and quarter-inch drive magnetic socket holders. So these are not a bad deal for the sale price that they're on right now. So the 3/8 is $12.99. The half-inch is $14.99, and the quarter-inch is $9.99. Not a bad deal for the sale price. We ended up actually purchasing one, and I purchased 2 other different ones that were very similar. They're all 3. I purchased 2 other ones from Amazon by 2 different manufacturers. And then I compared those 2 manufacturers with the US General ones. And I'm going to tell you right now, they were pretty similar. They held the magnetic held the same on each one. I ended up returning the US General one and keeping the ones from Amazon because I was a little disappointed in the US General. The reason why I was disappointed was on the two manufacturers from Amazon, they had their logo right here in the corner. They had their logo on the corner, and then on one of the other manufacturers, this was all actually like a carbon fiber style plastic. And I was a little disappointed with US General because I was thinking it was going to be a little bit nicer, or they were going to have like a US General plaque right here. Now that might sound stupid. It might sound like no big deal, but I was a little disappointed. It was just they took a manufacturer that they purchased from and just threw it out there. You know, they didn't. I don't know. I was a little disappointed. So I personally ended up returning the one from Harbor Freight and keeping the ones from Amazon. If you guys would like for me to do a video on that, please put it in the comment section below, and we will definitely do a video on that. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Maybe we might purchase one of these and go ahead and keep it, and I'll just do a comparison video on it. But yeah, I was a little disappointed on that. Everything else, the quality seemed fine. They all three seemed like they were from the same manufacturer, just different companies' names on it. So, but anyway, enough of that. Let's go ahead and move on. Welding and machinery. Not much for us here. And that is it, guys. So that completes our Merry Christmas coupons from Friday, November 29th through Sunday, December 15th, guys. So, I don't know. A little bit, there was some cool stuff in there. I think the Black Friday sale was a lot bigger, or a lot better sale. They had a lot more stuff that at least appealed to me on the Black Friday sale as compared to this Merry Christmas coupons. I'm hoping once Christmas comes, they're going to have a lot better deals out there. That's what I'm assuming, but we'll see. So anyway, guys, there is your Merry Christmas coupons. You have until December 15th to take advantage of them. And as a reminder, if you did not take advantage of the Black Friday sales, they're still available. They've extended it until December 8th. So make sure to go and pick up any of these deals that you guys want. So anyway, guys, there you have it. I'm going to stop rambling on because I'm pretty sure you're probably tired of hearing me. But anyway, guys, if you could go down there and please hit that like button, I would greatly appreciate it. As well as a lot of my views are coming from non-subscribers. So if you guys haven't already, please go down there and hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. So anyway, guys, as always, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And until next time, guys, have a good one.